Welcome back, everybody, and say hello to my friend Mike Duncan of USA Mortgage. If you're thinking of buying a home or if you want to switch homes and you need to figure out that mortgage, this is the guy to talk to. Mike, how long have you been in the business?
I've been in the business a little over 17 years.
All right, so you've probably pretty much seen it all.
I have seen most everything.
Most everything. There's not a lot of questions he can't answer. I have full confidence in that. Talk about the different kind of loans that are out there and the different things that you work with.
Okay, so we do residential home mortgages. So we do VA loans, we do USDA loans, which in this area is a great loan. It's a 100% loan. So if you qualify, you don't need to have a down payment. So on those USDA loans, the seller can pay up to 6% in concessions, so you can literally, if you qualify, move in with no money out of pocket and no payment for 45 days.
Now that's an interesting concept that a lot of people, because you don't think about USDA being in the home loan industry here, but that's something that a guy like this can help you out with, because we can't expect to know all the answers. On the other hand, this is what you do. So if you don't have money for that, you may be able to go in, you know, a step ahead of the game.
Correct. And sometimes, a lot of times, it's cheaper than renting, cheaper than first and last month's rent. But, you know, with that being said, it's not renting, it's buying a house. You have a 30-year mortgage. So.
True, but there are some people out there that I think are renting and think, you know, why don't I, they've offered for me to buy this place. So you can take the numbers and look at them and decide if that is something that you should or maybe should steer away from.
Absolutely. So, I mean, we also do FHA in the area, which is a minimal down payment. 3.5% would be the minimum on that. And then we do conventional loans. So, and a misconception out there with some people I talk to is that they have to have 20% down. Like the USDA, I mean, conventional we can do with as little as, if you qualify, 3% down, 5% down, 10% down.
All right, very interesting. All right, I love to talk about the first-time home buyer. Any advice real quick?
I would advise the first-time home buyer or any home buyer to, first thing to do is get with myself or another local lender and get a pre-qualification at minimum. One step beyond that would be a pre-approval, and that would be where we get the actual documentation, your paycheck stubs, bank statements, tax returns, and submit that to an underwriter, and then an underwriter would approve that loan.
Very good. One thing I know about Mike is that he gives advice. So if you're wondering about it, if you're just thinking about getting into it, this is the guy who can help you sort of navigate the whole thing. How do people reach you, Mike?
They reach me at, you can get with me on Facebook, my cell phone number. We have an app that you can download, and it's really a one-stop shop. You can upload documents on the app, you can fill out an application on the app, direct contact information for me. You can follow along as your loan goes through the process. When the appraisal's ordered, you get an alert saying, hey, the appraisal's ordered. Here's where your loan is in process.
Very good. How easy is that? He makes it easy. All right, Mike Duncan at USA Mortgage, thanks so much.
Thank you, Joy.